Welcome to our farm's kitchen. Today, for 2 exquisite spring salads, Chef Afsan of Afsan Farm's Kitchen is providing you with straightforward instructions and recipes. A variety of recipes made with seasonal, fresh ingredients. Strawberry and spinach salad. Ingredients: 5 ounces fresh spinach, prefer to use baby spinach. 1 pint strawberries, hulled and sliced. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup sliced almonds. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon honey. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: in a large bowl, combine the spinach, strawberries, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Top with crumbled feta cheese and sliced almonds. Recipe for grilled chicken and asparagus salad. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 1 pound asparagus, trimmed. 5 ounces mixed greens. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup crumbled goat cheese. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: preheat a grill to medium-high heat. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper and grill for 6 to 8 minutes per side, until cooked through. Toss the asparagus with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and grill for 3 to 4 minutes per side, until tender. In a small bowl, whisk together the red wine vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, red onion, grilled asparagus, and crumbled goat cheese. Slice the grilled chicken and add it to the salad. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss to combine.